मैम नेगेटिव हैबिट्स में जैसे आपने बोला कि हम क्या कंज्यूम करते हैं एज पर कंटेंट,
Yeah.
डू यू थिंक समथिंग, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा अगर आप देखोगे वॉचेबिलिटी ऑफ पॉर्न इज
Oh
टू हाई इन
God.
इंडिया,
Yeah.
डू यू थिंक वॉचिंग पॉर्न थिंग्स लाइक दीज
Hmm.
ये हमारे गट को कहीं से इफेक्ट करता है?
आपके माइंड को अफेक्ट करता है. It's polluted, it's dirty. Your mind is giving signals to your gut on how to digest food.
Hmm.
Gut cannot function independently of the brain. The gut and the brain is connected to each other.
हम क्या ड्रॉ करके देखें?
Yes, sure.
That's
It's called the
true.
vagus nerve that connects the gut to the brain.
Okay.
And the gut is sending signals to the brain every micromillion second on what is going on. And then the brain sends messages back. So
Okay.
they're in a direct conversation or a communication, okay? So, okay, I just hope, So we're starting with the mouth, right?
Do you want to change this? I think it's sort of high.
Yeah, maybe a thinner pen if possible. And I can reverse this. And if you can give me black. It's black? Okay, right? So you have your mouth, right?
Yeah.
And this is your esophagus. It goes down, right? Your stomach. And then you have your intestines, right? Large intestine comes down and becomes the colon, correct? And then you have your liver, gallbladder, pancreas, right? You have all of these organs here. They're all contributing to your digestion. And you have your kidneys at the back, right? It's towards the back of your thing. Now, your brain is connected to your gut. Your brain is connected to your gut through the vagus nerve. Okay? And this is a hotline. Hotline, every micromillion second, there is a message that's going to the brain from the gut. Okay? Abar gut mein kachra aa gaya, then the gut will send a SOS signal to the brain. Something has come. The brain will say, acha chalo jaldi se ye wala acid bana do. Let's flush it out. And then the waste will come out, right? The toxins comes out. Toxins comes out in 3 ways. Sweat, urine, feces. Correct? And also it comes out from the scalp, negative energy, emotions and all of that. Now, if there is a negative signal here in the brain, that negative signal also goes to the gut and the gut starts working like that. So say, I'm getting very angry. My gut will get hot and I'll start feeling acidity and reflux. Stomach acids become very active. If I'm meditating and doing Brahmi and calming down, my stomach will become alkaline. My gut will also start soothing down. All the microorganisms are also calming down. The microorganisms in my gut are completely dependent on me. There are trillions of microorganisms here that depend on your state of mind to function. Now, when you have negative emotions here, it affects here. When you have anxiety, stress, when you feel anxious, scared, excited, happy, nervous, butterflies fluttering in the stomach, आपको वो emotions यहाँ पे feel होते हैं. Not in the brain. यहाँ पे feel होते हैं, brain में decode होता है. आपके negative memories, बचपन में क्या हुआ, any kind of abuse, mental, emotional, verbal, physical, sexual abuse, वो भी यहाँ पे store होता है, memories. Okay? Memories यहाँ पे store हुआ है, emotions यहाँ पे store हुआ है, correct? आपका intuition यहाँ से आ रहा है. Intuition comes from the gut. Okay?
Gut feeling बोलते हैं ना?
Gut feeling bolte hai because there are lots of neurons here. Okay? There are a lot of neurons here that are lining the gut walls that is sending messages to the brain. Neurons are those that fire signals. Correct? So आपके emotions यहाँ पे आ गए, intuition आ गया, memories आ गया. आपका जो serotonin, dopamine है, happiness hormone, वो भी यहाँ से आ रहा है. Forgive my handwriting. Okay? Happiness यहाँ से आ रहा है. इंट्यूजन यहाँ से आ रहा है, इमोशंस यहाँ से आ रहा है, मेमोरीज यहाँ से आ रहा है. तो ये तो मेरा ड्राइवर बन गया ना गाड़ी का. न्यूट्रिशन यहाँ से आ रहा है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. करेक्ट? माय न्यूट्रिशन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर. फ्यूल फॉर द होल बॉडी, माय ब्रेन, हार्ट, लिवर, किडनी, gallbladder, everything is depending on the nutrition from the gut. So the gut is basically where food passes after digestion. तो स्टमक के नीचे वाले सारे ऑर्गन्स गट है. But scientists have said everything including the esophagus, mouth, is part of the gut. Mouth se leke esophagus, stomach, intestines, because they all contribute to the digestion process. You have oral microbiome. Okay? Yahan pe oral microbiome hai. Okay? Then you have gut microbiome. Right? gut microbiome. Then women also have vaginal microbiome. Then we also have microbiome in the mucus, mucosa microbiome. Mucus में microbiome होते हैं, bacteria that controls our bronchial health. See, so many bacteria. What will they listen to? Trillions है ये सारे, correct? What are they listening to? कहाँ से आ रहे हैं signals and messages? Brain से आ रहे हैं. अब brain में कचरा डालोगे, all your porn, gossip, okay, negative thoughts. You make a gutter out of your brain. Brain कौन सा signal देगा gut को? Negative signal देगा. Negativity से negativity तो आएगा. Gut is going to malfunction.
अगर इसको मतलब हम बेसिक ये बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ भी एक हम चीज कर रहे हैं, हमारे ब्रेन उसको एक तरह से रिसीव कर रहा है, उसके बाद उसकी प्रोसेसिंग हमारे गट में हो रही है.
Correct.
और गट आगे मैसेज देता है कि अब आपको करना क्या है. इज इट लाइक दैट?
Both ways.